Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know. We out here. And I'm the FOREX King. And today, I'm about to teach some of you guys who are new how to trade Forex. And you know how I do it. I keep it real. I keep it simple. So let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do, you need to open up a demo or a live account. Definitely a demo account because it's free. But you go open a live account and then deposit the money when you're ready. But definitely open a demo or live account. The first step. And the next step is to find what broker to use. There's so many brokers. Me personally, I use an offshore broker because of leverage, and they offer like high leverage to help the average Joe with no money be able to make big money quicker based off your trading style. So I would say open account potentially with Traders Way. They offer 1,000 leverage, or there's other brokers, but that's one broker I use. They offer good leverage, 1,000. You can do a lot of damage with that in the market. So open up the broker account, follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. They have customer service if you need help. So do that, and the next step is to figure out a strategy. There's so many different strategies that people develop in the market, but definitely having at least two or more is pretty good. But definitely at least two, because what people don't tell you is that there's not just staying of one perfect strategy in the market. It might work for a day, a few hours, but the market can change each week, each day, each month. So you do need multiple strategies that you're comfortable with, but definitely perfect at least two, because there's no one perfect strategy for every scenario in the market. By having at least two, you should be okay. And to decide if a strategy is legit, that means you have to practice it. The next step is to practice your strategy for at least 30 to 60 days, and it's a good strategy if you're profitable, meaning you're making money trading that way. And also practice your risk management so you can minimize your losses and maximize your wins. So that's very important in the early stages of any strategy. Make sure it's risk proof and it's profitable. So when you do trade live, you're less scared because you're like, oh, I'm kind of been winning a lot for months or weeks. So then when you do it on a real account, you'll be like comfortable. Even though it's gonna be a little different because there's more emotions because you're playing with real money. So that's definitely what you need to do. Practice. Practice makes perfect. And once you have this profitable strategy for yourself and you're comfortable, then you can move on to the next stage and learning how to have your take profits, stop losses, as well as know how to close trades, because it's very important you gotta know how to close trades. So you'll be able to receive the profits if you're in profits. And pretty much knowing how to buy and sell in the market at any time, depending on your strategy or situation and approach to the market, is essential. Because trading, all you do is buy and sell. So it's so important to understand you have two options: buy, sell, or do nothing. And once you do buy or sell, then you have more options, like, do I have add a stop loss? Do I add a take profit? Do I close out manually? And that's up to you to decide later on based on your approach to the market and the way you have it. Because I don't feel like everyone should have the same approach to the market, but you could have an overall similar approach to many people in the market. But if it works, it works. So that's pretty much how you trade. I broke it down pretty short. I kept it simple, and that's what I do, man. I keep it real, keep it simple. So in the day, you're buying and selling, and you're closing out, and hopefully you close out in profit. So like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. You already know, we out here. Peace.